In this video, I'll walk you through how to download, extract, and set up the MSP Insight end-of-year planning workbooks. We'll start with the folder structure, review what's included in both the main and demo packages, and then complete the setup of the main workbook. After downloading, you should have two zip files, the main zip file and the demo zip file. I recommend creating a single working folder on your local machine, something like MSP Biz Insights, and placing both zip files there. Now you need to extract both zip files completely. Do not open Excel or PowerPoint files directly from inside the zip. All files must be extracted so the links, charts, and automation work correctly. Now once extracted, you'll see that you have two folders, one for the main planner and one for the demo planner. Let's start with the main planner folder. You'll see three items. You have a folder for the main workbook, a folder for AI tools, and a README file. Inside the main workbook folder are two core files. The Excel workbook, this is where all data, setup, and analysis happens, and the PowerPoint file, which contains pre-built executive charts linked directly to Excel. Now the AI Tools folder contains optional AI resources, including the AI workflow documentation, the AI instructions, and a slide generation prompt for both ChatGPT and Copilot. These files are reference tools. They're not required to run the workbook, but they show you how to turn your analysis into written insights and executive slides. Now, the README covers prerequisites and important notes, especially around SQL connectivity and supported Excel versions. This workbook requires Excel for Windows desktop. SQL connections are not supported on Excel for Mac or Excel for the web. Now let's look at the demo planner. This is the best place to start if you want to explore the dashboards without connecting to live data. Inside the demo workbook, you'll see there's a demo Excel workbook populated with sample data. There's also a demo PowerPoint file with linked charts. This allows you to walk through the entire experience, the dashboards, the trends, the executive reporting without any setup. Now within the AI imports folder, you'll see that there are some example AI input files, including a demo service data and a demo alert data. These PDFs show you what the exported data looks like when it's prepared for AI analysis, and they're useful examples if you want to understand how the AI workflow works before using your own data. You can actually use these and upload these into ChatGPT. Now the demo README file explains how to use the demo files and what's included. Nothing in the demo folder connects to any external systems. When you're ready to work with your own data, open the Excel file in the main workbook folder. You may be prompted to enable editing or enable data connections. Now, all setup happens in one place and only needs to be done once. On the Home tab, you can review the workbook details and acknowledge the terms of use. The workbook will not refresh data until the terms are acknowledged. You now go to the Setup tab where you can enter the Autotask Report Data Cache server name, enter the database name, select the local time zone, and optionally define advanced filtering, which I'll cover in a separate video. This workbook connects only to the Autotask Report Data Cache. The full data warehouse is not required for this. Now, once the setup is complete, you go to Data Refresh All. And the first refresh is going to prompt you to authenticate your Autotask warehouse credentials. Choose database authentication and not the Windows authentication. Now, when the refresh completes, all the dashboards and tables will be updated automatically. That's a complete setup and walkthrough. If you want to explore first, start with the demo. If you're ready, move on to the main workbook and connect to your data.